Hello friends, welcome to Krishmaya Kitchen. Today we are bringing you the world's famous veg dum biryani recipe. We cook this recipe in two stages. Now let's move on to stage 1, rice cooking. Let's boil water in kadai and add 1 teaspoon of rock salt. When water is boiled, let's add spices. Now I am adding few bay leaves, 1 inch of cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of shajira. Now I am adding 3 small green chilies which are slit. Next, adding chopped coriander leaves. Then adding few mint leaves. Now I am squeezing juice from half of medium sized lemon. Also add lemon remains into the water. Now adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. By this you can avoid rice grains sticking together. After water is boiled, adding 500 grams of soaked basmati rice. We need to take out cooked rice in 2 different times because we add rice in 2 layers. For first layer, 50% cooked rice. And for second layer, 75% cooked rice. After rice is cooked 50%, take out the 30% of rice for the first layer. And keep it aside. Once rice is 75% cooked, take out rice and keep it aside for cooling. Now it's time for stage 2, dum process. Add 5 tablespoons of cooking oil into the kadai. You can add more oil if you like. Now adding 1 tablespoon of ghee and let the oil to heat. After oil is heated, let's add the spices. Adding 4 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamoms, few bay leaves and 1 tablespoon of shajira. Once the spices are fried and aroma gets released, add 5 small sized green chilies which are slit. Now adding 2 chopped medium sized onions. To get onion to be fried faster, adding 1 pinch of salt. Fry the onions until it gets golden brown in color. Now adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell is removed. Now adding 1 medium sized chopped tomato. Fry the tomatoes until it gets cooked. Now it's time for adding vegetables. Adding 1 cup of chopped beans, 1 cup of chopped carrot, 1 cup of chopped potato. Now adding 1 cup of chopped cauliflower, 1 cup of chopped green capsicum, 1 cup of peas, 1 cup of chopped yellow capsicum, 1 cup of chopped red capsicum. Saute well. Add salt and chili powder as per your taste. Do remember, we also added 5 green chilies. Now add 1 pinch of turmeric powder. I have taken 1 tablespoon of biryani masala, adding half of it now, remaining later. Now adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now adding 1 cup of curd, which is mixed with 150 ml of water. Stir well. Let's wait until the vegetables cooked and release the oil. Add little of chopped mint leaves, little of chopped coriander leaves. Adding 1 teaspoon of rose water. Adding 1 teaspoon of kevra water. Stir well. Now spread the vegetables evenly. To avoid rice touching the bottom of the kadai. Now adding rice for first layer, which is 50% cooked. Now adding little of chopped mint leaves, little of chopped coriander leaves. Adding few fried onions. Now it's time for second layer preparation. Adding rice, which is 75% cooked. Spread the rice evenly. Add the remaining mint leaves, coriander leaves, and fried onions. Adding the remaining half tablespoon of biryani masala on the rice. Again adding 1 teaspoon of rose water and 1 teaspoon of kevra water. Make few holes until it reaches the bottom of kadai. To release them evenly. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to retain the softness of rice. Now adding 1 pinch of food color, which is mixed with water to get colorful rice grains. It is optional though. Now close the lid. Close the gaps around the lid with wheat dough to retain the dum. Now keeping kadai over the tawa to avoid overcooking. Placing some weight on the lid to retain the dum. Now cook in high flame for 5 minutes and in low flame for 25 minutes. It's already 30 minutes past and now it's time to open the lid. Wow, it's really awesome aroma. As you're looking, the biryani has come out very well. It has cooked to the perfection. Even you can try, and everyone in your family will love it. Please comment below after you try. I hope you liked the recipe. Please subscribe, like, and support us. I will see you in the next video with yet another delicious recipe. Bye. Take care.